How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a website link to your Twitter bio. So, you want to open up your Twitter, and then in the top left, tap on your profile, and then from here, you want to open your profile, and then as you'll see on the right hand side, you have an option to edit profile. Select that, and as you can see, the fourth option down says website. So you simply type your website in. I don't have one, so we'll just go with Google. And then once you've entered it, press save, and it'll refresh your Twitter profile, and you can see that there will be a clickable link in your bio. And as you can see, it brings up the website. So that's how to add a website to your Twitter bio. Thank you for watching.